Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your stickers on Discord. So first things first, we're going to need to go to our Discord profile. So how we get there is we're going to look at the bottom of my screen right now. We have about 5 icons. We need to click on the bottom right icon that has your little Discord profile picture on it. Once we click that, that will bring us here. All we need to do is scroll a bit down until we see app settings. So the first thing is voice, and then there's appearance, and then there's accessibility. We're going to click on accessibility. And once we get here, the first thing that pops up is roll colors and then profile colors, then reduce motion, and then we scroll down and there's stickers. So you can pick if you want your stickers to always be animated, animate on interaction, or never animate. I want them to be animated on interaction, so I'm just gonna pick that one, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.